Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Charger spoiler. First, gather your tools. You will need a socket wrench set, a trim removal tool, and painter's tape to protect your vehicle's paint. Having a heat gun can also be helpful for softening adhesive. Make sure you are working in a well-lit and spacious area to ensure safety and visibility throughout the process. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth removal. Next, open your Dodge Charger's trunk. You will need to carefully remove the trunk liner and any interior trim panels to expose the spoiler's mounting points. These are typically nuts or bolts that secure the spoiler to the trunk lid. If your spoiler has a third brake light, you will also need to locate and disconnect its electrical wiring harness before proceeding. Take your time to avoid damaging the interior trim. Now, with the mounting points exposed, use your socket wrench to carefully loosen and remove all the nuts or bolts holding the spoiler in place. Once the fasteners are removed, gently lift and pry the spoiler away from the trunk lid. Be aware that there might be adhesive tape or sealant, which a heat gun can help soften. After removal, clean any remaining adhesive residue from the trunk surface using an automotive-safe adhesive remover. After successfully removing the spoiler, take a moment to inspect the trunk lid for any paint damage or scratches that may have occurred. If you are not immediately installing a new spoiler, you might want to fill the holes left by the mounting bolts to prevent water intrusion and improve aesthetics. You can find various plugs or body filler kits for this purpose. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed during your next project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.